How's it going, everyone? My name's Grace, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing y'all how to play Among Us. Among Us is a game that's been out for a while but has recently hit the must play list. In this game you have local and online play. I don't know anyone who actually plays local, but if you go into online you can choose to host your own lobby, go into a public lobby, or you can put in the private lobby code or have your friends put in one to join your lobby. If you go into hosting your own game, you get to choose between three maps: the scaled, the mirror, and the polis map. You get to choose the amount of imposters from 1 to 3 and the max players from 4 all the way up to 10. If you go into your own hosted lobby, on the far left of the screen it's going to show you your lobby settings. You can go and change those settings by going down to customize at the computer and go over to games. This lets you change it all the way from the cooldowns to the vision to the speed, even the amount of tasks that the crewmates need to do in order to win. At the very bottom middle underneath the start button, it shows your private lobby code. That's for your friends to join your lobby specifically. To the left of that, you can click on it and it switches your lobby from private to public, so then the public players can come and join your lobby. On the right of that, it shows your current player count. You need at least 4 players in order to start a match. Note, anything under 5 players, it will drop your imposters down to 1 to try to make the game more fair for the imposters and for the crewmates. Once you finally get into a game, it's going to give you the crewmate or imposter. As a crewmate, the only way to win is to finish all your tasks or to vote off the imposters. In the top left of your screen, it gives you a task bar. It shows you exactly how far along you and your crewmate friends are from completing the task and winning the game. Underneath that is your task manager. That shows you exactly how far along you are in your task, as well as where they are and what task they are. On the right side of the screen, it shows you your settings. Underneath that is your map. If you go into your map, it shows you the full layout of the map that you are on, as well as the name of the different rooms, and it shows you where your tasks are at and highlights them with a yellow exclamation mark. Underneath that is the report button. If at any point in time the report button lights up, this means there is a dead body somewhere near you. You can choose to either look for the body and report it, or you could either just walk past it and troll your friends. Why not sometimes, right? Anyways, underneath that is the use button. This button is used for opening doors, checking different things, and starting up your task. As a crewmate, you want to keep your eyes peeled at all times to try to find any sus movement between all the other players, whether that be 2 people go into a room and only one ever comes out, or 1 person goes into a room and then never comes out. With that, whenever you see a body and you report it, this activates the meeting phase. Here you can talk to all of your friends about what you saw, what body it was, and what kind of sus things you witnessed during your phase of doing your task. They explain themselves. Here you will either vote or choose to skip on whether or not you think somebody is the imposter. If you get imposter, then your job is pretty much to kill all your friends without getting caught. In order to win as an imposter, you have to get the same number of crewmates down to the same number of imposters that are alive. They give you a bunch of different ways to do this, such as vent kills, sabotages, and even YOLO kills, where you try to kill someone and hope no one finds and reports the body. If you click that little sabotage button down to the bottom right, it will bring up a map and it will show you all of the sabotages that you can do. If you click the lights, it will drop every crewmate's vision down to the lowest settings and they have to manually turn it back on. If you click the O2, someone has to go and manually shut off the O2 by putting in the code. If they don't make it in time, they lose. If you hit the reactor, 2 people have to go to the reactor, put their hands on separate prints in order to turn it off. If they don't make it in time, they lose. And if you hit communications, it stops them from being able to see any of their tasks on the map, as well as use the map's helper tools such as the cameras, the admin table, so on and so forth. If you walk over a vent, then it will give you a vent icon instead of the sabotage icon, in which case you can jump into the vent and you can take that vent wherever it leads. It will give you a nice little arrow showing exactly where that vent can take you. Make sure you learn your vents if you plan on using them. It's very, very important. If someone presses the report button, then from there you're trying to lie through your teeth to try to make everyone believe that you are a crewmate, not an imposter. I hope you all enjoyed this how to play Among Us video. It was a whole lot of fun to make. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and go ahead and click the subscribe button and put a comment down if there's anything else that you wanted me to do, or if you even wanted me to just go more in depth with the Among Us game. Other than that, I'm gonna get out of here. I can't wait to see you on the next video, and don't forget to bask in the glow.